No! What's good, everybody? We are back, and we're going to keep it rolling with Reincarnated as a Slime. We're on episode 11. We're going to keep this thing rolling because it just keeps going. Reincarnated as a Slime. Let's hit it. Gabiru is here. Alright. So this is what I'm really into is, you know, just all the, I know I've mentioned it a couple different times, but all the world building. Now having Shauna bring in even more cloth and things like that, being able to just expand the resources that we have in the village. Like, I'm all for this stuff. I'm all for the slice of life thing. Yeah, I really hope that we continue going down in this direction because it's so good. Building a whole textile area. I'm so into it. Why is she suddenly becoming like stuck up? Are we gonna get an internal battle of who gets to spend more time with Rimuru? Right, guys? She's the chef, the secretary, and the bodyguard. Okay, come on. How bad can it be? Rimuru, you can fight a lot of things, buddy, but this might be a bit much. That's bad. Give it to Gobita. Give it to Gobita. Let him eat it. Itadakimasu. Don't eat it, buddy. Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. Oh. No. That's a... No. That's not what that is. Gobita! Ah, he's fine. Give him a potion. Oh, he's dead. Oh, that was bad. Shion, you can't kill people with your food. Come on, buddy. Oh, go on, buddy. Man, them sitting there talking him up like this, they are really... They're gonna cause his death. Like, 100%. Yep. Reality check. Yeah, I'm all about this. I really like that we're just getting tons and tons of exposition about the way they're building everything and the way they're measuring heat and yeah, the way they're using. Here we go. You need to have a fucking announcement showcase for this because he's your only named guy. They're lighting him. このお方こそ次のリザードマンの首領。からも聞いておるだろう。何を？多くの豚どもがこのジュラの大森林を進行中だという貧弱。Kaijin now。今日より守ってやろうではないか。貧弱な。 Love, baby.
まあ、多くが攻めてくるのなら、リザードマンとの共闘ってのも選択肢の一つではあるんだが。
そいつは幹部に
Woo!
貴殿がガロー族の族長殿かな
He is somewhat powerful. I mean, he does have a name. It does make a big difference.
あ
トカゲ風情が我が主を愚弄するとは。
あ、やばい。あいつ死んだ。
Oh my... Ranga! Down, boy!
おいおい、なになんつかこの状況。
トカゲ、この者を倒せたのなら貴様の話一行してやろう。
なんで
Are we gonna get a Gobita fight? One-on-one? No. No fucking way.
なあなあ
We're down.
むゴブタ、遠慮はいらん。や
Don't... Oh.
負けたらシオンの手料理の刑な。それだけは食わ 非常に不愉快な
For some reason, this conversation makes me unhappy. Here we go. Gobita's going 100, baby. No way! Gobita can shadow step? No fucking way! Gobita can shadow step other shadows! Wow!
勝負あり、勝者ゴブタ。
ことにしてやろう。
She's gonna ignore the comment about her horrible food.
期待外のありそうな才能を持っているようです。
Wow.
先に手出したのはそっちでしょ。とかイチャモンつけてボッコボコにするつもりかと思ってた。
I was like, you better not be coming with some violence. What are you gonna do? I get these fights have been over pretty quick, but I don't think this one's gonna be over like it's nothing. This one looks to be a bit more of a fight.
20万の多く。
200,000.
大河に沿って北上している。そして本体と
以外の目的があるってんなら何かしらバックの存在を疑うべきだろうな。
バックの存在だべか。
例えば魔王とかか。
What the fuck is happening here?
そいつがシズさんを苦しめたレオンだとは限らないしな。数百年に一度生まれるユニーク
Unique monster that appears once every few centuries. I'm looking forward to this battle.
普通の多くが統率できるとは思えませんから。
偵察中の分身体に接触してきた者がいます。
接触。
リムル様に取り継いでもらいたいとのことを。
Okay. What is a dryad? Oh wow, she's really beautiful.
トライアドのトレイニーと申します。
Rennie a dryad.
ど
Okay.
うぞお見知りおきください。
She is absolutely stunning.
一体何のご用向きで。
She's glowing.
あなたにオークロードのと
I would like you to defeat the Orc Lord, baby. That's exactly what we're about to do. Alright guys. Yeah, that was the end of episode 11. Gabiru. So that one we had we had the unbelievably obnoxious Gabiru and his little gang that's talking him up, stopping by our village, thinking that he could just, you know, easily subjugate us and take us over. I guess he's really gotten high and mighty on the fact that he's got a name and no one else around him has one. But stepping into our village was a bit of a problem. I was really shocked that Gobita, I got that he could shadow summon, but I had no idea that he can essentially weaponize shadows. That's incredible. I had no idea that was coming. I know I had talked earlier about him being a paladin. As much as I would love that, he looks to be going the path of a ninja or an assassin. Wow, I was really shocked at Gobita. I'm loving his progression. He's a hilarious character. I loved him when everybody evolved and he just kind of stayed a little micro buddy. You know, I'm totally into Gobita. I love what he's doing. I'm not sure where we're going with the Lizardman. I'm not sure if it's going to be an ally or an adversary. Time will tell on that one. Now we've got a Dryad. Not really sure what she is. Some kind of a nymph, elf kind of thingy. Yeah, she seems to be a spirit. She's glowing, so maybe she's a god. I'm not really sure what she is. But you know, everything this episode had, it had, you know, silk weaving, you know, building more stuff with the world. So now we have more cloth to use. It's going to work with our blacksmiths. They're working on like kilns and stuff for cooking and melding and all that stuff. So that's all going to get better. You know, I'm into everything. I'm into everything this is offering. This episode had some fighting. It's got some lead up to a giant war, and then it had a bunch of slice of life world building stuff. This episode was phenomenal. It offered everything that I wanted and so much more, and I'm looking forward to keeping this going. You know, big thanks to everyone again who's been stopping by. Really grateful for everything, all the comments and discussions we've been having. You know, I'm really loving just everything that we're doing here. I like the little community that we're building. It's a lot of fun, and I'm really grateful for everyone who's been stopping by and checking out all the content. And yeah, I just want to say thanks for everything, guys. And I hope you guys all have a great day. I hope you guys enjoy the content, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Saga out. Deuces.